Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. So, you might be thinking that why am I making less number of videos recently? Well, because my exams are sitting on the top of my head and they will continue this whole month, and by this month I mean May of 2018. So now with that cleared, let's have a look at the Google Pixel 3. The big question surrounding the Google Pixel 3 is that are they going to copy Apple? Has Google surrendered? Well, with the first Google Pixel, they made fun of Apple for removing the headphone jack. 1 year later, the Pixel 2, they themselves killed the headphone jack. Which was a big bold move, and well, yeah, they did surrender to the almighty Apple. But could the Pixel 3 be different and better? Well, the answer could be yes. As you know, the Android P beta is out there, and inside some of the menus of the settings of the Android P, Google placed some of the Easter egg phones. These phones are completely bezel-less. No bezel on any side, no bezel on top or bottom. And if you think that it's not Pixel 3, the power button and volume rockers placement is same as the Pixel 2, and the overall footprint also resembles the Pixel 2 XL. If they use this kind of display, they might have to shift the front firing speaker assembly, but this is a really small trade-off I'm willing to make any time for this awesome design. The front camera and the sensors are packed very tight on the top bezel. And another problem with the Pixel 2 was that the display was okay-ish, and if compared with the Galaxy S9, it was not even close. If they can fix that and make it look like this, for sure I will be in the line to buy the Pixel. Now I do know that this is not an easy thing to do, it's not a cake you cut it and eat it, it's really tough. But also not to say that they can't do it. Google is hands down one of the biggest companies on this planet Earth, and recently Google in collaboration with LG announced a OLED display of more than 1000 ppi and a 120Hz refresh rate. So if they can do that, I think they can also pull this off, even though it's very tough to do. Everything else will be top notch. Snapdragon 845, 6GB of RAM, Android P, best camera of 2018. That's kind of granted from Google, best camera is Google. So yep, there you have it, the Pixel 3. Or at least the Pixel 3 which we want. But I'm not betting my money on this design. Let's wait for some more credible sources and then we can say for sure that is this the Google Pixel 3 or something they placed just for fun. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the channel for more Google Pixel 3 updates, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Oh wait, I can't see you tomorrow. I'll see you soon and peace out.